If you're someone who struggles with sensitive skin or needs an extra boost during your skincare routine, you're probably already familiar with the challenge of finding a product that's gentle yet effective. And if you've been hunting for a solution to restore balance to your skin while you sleep, you may want to hear about this. Today, we're talking about the EltaMD Skin Recovery Overnight Face Mask, a moisturizer cream that promises to tackle damaged skin, reduce redness, and protect your skin barrier, all overnight. This product is formulated with a gel-based consistency, and it's designed specifically for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. The EltaMD Skin Recovery Mask is free from dyes, fragrances, and parabens, which is a huge bonus for anyone concerned about harsh chemicals or potential skin irritants. It aims to repair, hydrate, and renew your skin as you sleep, addressing the visible signs of aging, redness, and skin damage. Now, let's talk about how it actually performs. As someone with a deep understanding of skincare formulations and how they interact with skin, I'm particularly drawn to products that claim to deliver results without overwhelming the skin. The EltaMD mask is lightweight and absorbs quickly, which I love because I'm not a fan of overnight products that leave a heavy residue. When I applied it as the final step in my routine, it felt soothing and refreshing. There was no greasy or sticky feeling, and it settled into my skin effortlessly. Using it consistently over the course of a week, I noticed that my skin looked more balanced, less red, and hydrated when I woke up. In particular, the redness around my cheeks and nose, which had been a constant concern for me, was noticeably reduced. I was also pleasantly surprised by how it seemed to lock in moisture, leaving my skin feeling plump and smooth the next morning. There were no breakouts, no irritation, just calm, replenished skin. In terms of pros, the mask's ability to reduce redness and restore hydration overnight is definitely a standout. The fact that it's fragrance-free is also fantastic for anyone with sensitive skin or fragrance sensitivities. And let's not forget about the brand. EltaMD is known for producing high-quality, dermatologist-recommended products that are safe for even the most delicate skin. But of course, nothing is perfect. If I had to pinpoint a downside, it would be the jar packaging. While I understand that a jar allows for easy access to the product, it's not the most hygienic option. It would be nice if EltaMD considered a pump or a more sanitary dispenser for this product, especially since it's a mask that you apply overnight. When it comes to value for money, I think this product is worth the investment, especially if you're dealing with sensitive skin issues like redness or dryness. At 1.7 ounce, it's a bit of a splurge, but considering how effective it is at calming and hydrating, I'd say it's well worth the price. The product lives up to its promises, delivering visible results in a short amount of time. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget but looking for something that hydrates and reduces redness, you might consider trying CeraVe Hydrating Night Cream or Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Both are affordable options that work well, though they may not have the same targeted repair focus that EltaMD provides. Overall, the EltaMD Skin Recovery Overnight Face Mask is a fantastic choice for anyone with sensitive skin, redness, or those looking for a soothing product to rejuvenate their skin while they sleep. It's effective, gentle, and simple to incorporate into your skincare routine. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you struggle with irritation, dehydration, or redness, this could be a game changer for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've used this product or have any thoughts to share, drop a comment below. Let us know what your experience has been with the EltaMD Skin Recovery Mask. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.